Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the goal. What metric matters most, traffic, leads, or engagement? Once done, feed Chatgpt concise inputs, audience profile, tone, desired formats, and 5 seed keywords. Make sure to include 1-3 examples of content you like and 2 competitor names so the model has context. Start with a short prompt that asks for 10 ideas, then immediately ask for 1-sentence hooks. This gets you actionable drafts fast and avoids vague outputs. Once you have hooks, push Chatgpt to expand each into a usable asset. Request topic clusters, a pillar idea and 3 subtopics, and then ask for 150-300 word briefs per idea that include target keywords and suggested CTAs. Make sure to refine tone and format with constraints, word count, audience reading level, and SEO focus. If results are generic, add specifics, data points, brand voice, or an angle such as controversy or how to sharpen output. You finalize by converting the best briefs into full drafts. Specify exact length, structure, and sections. Once done, request CTAs, meta titles, 3 alternate headlines, and a repurposing plan for social and email. If the draft feels off, ask Chatgpt to simplify, add examples, or rewrite with concrete data. Make sure to request citations for any factual claims. If citations are missing, prompt for verifiable sources or flag items for manual fact-checking to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.